Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Hyundai Sonata headlight. This is a straightforward process that you can easily do yourself. Before we begin, ensure your vehicle is safely parked and the engine is off. You will need a few basic tools, like a 10mm socket and a flathead screwdriver, along with your new headlight bulb. Let's get started. Now that you have your tools ready, open the hood of your Sonata. You will see the headlight assembly secured by two bolts at the top. These are 10mm bolts, so grab your socket wrench and carefully remove them. Once the bolts are out, gently pull the entire headlight assembly straight forward to release it from its mounting clips. Take your time with this step. With the headlight assembly out, you can now access the bulb. First, disconnect the electrical connector by pressing the tab and pulling it off. Next, twist the old bulb about 1/4 turn counterclockwise to unlock it from the housing. Carefully pull the old bulb straight out. When installing the new bulb, avoid touching the glass with your bare hands. Insert it, then twist it clockwise to lock it into place. Almost done. Reconnect the electrical connector to your new bulb. Now, carefully slide the entire headlight assembly back into its mounting position on the vehicle. Make sure it seats properly. Reinstall the two 10mm bolts you removed earlier and tighten them securely. Finally, turn on your vehicle and test both the low beam and high beam headlights to confirm everything is working perfectly. Great job!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.